Welcome to Dream on Wheels, where we explore motorhomes that turn everyday trips into something far more meaningful. And today, we're stepping into something truly impressive. The Rapido 996M, a motorhome that blends luxury, space, and smart design into one complete travel experience. From the outside, the Rapido 996M gives off a strong, composed presence. It doesn't try to look aggressive or overly styled. Instead, it feels refined and purposeful. The shape is clean, with smooth lines that give it a modern and balanced appearance. It's clearly designed for long-distance travel. Not just short weekend trips, the large side windows instantly stand out. Giving the motorhome a more open and premium look, they're not just for design. They completely change how the interior feels once you step inside. Lower down, you'll find multiple storage compartments integrated into the body. These are practical, easy to access, and essential for carrying everything you need on extended journeys. And overall, the exterior tells you exactly what to expect. This is a motorhome built for comfort, space, and serious travel. As soon as you step inside, the atmosphere shifts. It feels calm, open, and thoughtfully arranged. There's a sense of space here that you don't usually get in smaller setups. The front seating area blends seamlessly with the main lounge, creating a place that feels natural to sit in. Not forced, not overly designed, just comfortable. The seating is positioned in a way that encourages you to relax, whether you're eating, having a conversation, or just taking a break. The space adapts easily. Natural light plays a big role here. During the day, the windows bring in brightness from every angle. And at night, the lighting softens the entire interior, giving it a much more relaxed and personal feel. It's the kind of environment that makes you want to stay in, not just pass through. The kitchen area feels closer to something you'd expect in a small apartment. There's more room to move, more space to prepare food, and a layout that actually makes sense when you use it. Everything is positioned logically. You're not reaching across awkward gaps or adjusting your movements constantly. It just works. Cooking here doesn't feel like a limitation. In fact, it becomes part of the experience. A simple meal feels more enjoyable when you're surrounded by a space that's designed to. When it comes to rest, the Rapido 996M treats it as something essential. Not just another feature, but a core part of the experience. Because after a full day of driving, exploring, and constantly being on the move, what really matters is having a space where you can truly relax. The sleeping area is positioned in a way that feels naturally separated from the rest of the living space. This creates a quiet, more private environment. A place that feels calm, undisturbed, and removed from the activity of the day. It's not just about having a bed. It's about having your own corner to unwind. There's enough room here to lie down comfortably without needing to adjust or compromise. You're not trying to fit into the space. The space actually works with you. And that small difference becomes very noticeable. Especially on longer journeys, the bed itself is designed with real use in mind. It's supportive, well-sized, and built to provide consistent comfort night after night. Not just for occasional use, but for everyday living on the road. Whether it's a short trip or an extended journey, it's a setup you can rely on surrounding the sleeping area. Storage is integrated in a way that feels natural and easy to use. Overhead compartments and nearby storage spaces allow you to keep your essentials close. Without cluttering the area, everything stays organized, within reach, and out of the way. And that helps maintain a clean, relaxed environment. Something that's surprisingly important in a motorhome. What really stands out here is the overall atmosphere. The lighting is soft, the layout feels open enough, and the design encourages you to slow down. It's a space where you can read, rest, or simply lie back and take a moment for yourself. The bathroom follows the same philosophy as the rest of the motorhome. Keep it simple, keep it usable, and make sure it works in everyday situations. You'll find everything you need, neatly arranged and easy to access. The separation between areas makes it more comfortable to use, even in a limited space. And once again, it's not about size. It's about how well the space is used. Because when you're traveling, convenience like this changes everything. Storage here isn't just about capacity, it's about practicality. You don't want to think about where things are every time you need them. And thankfully, this setup avoids that completely. Compartments are placed where you expect them. Larger storage areas give you room for bulkier items, and everything feels easy to manage, which makes daily life on the road smoother and more enjoyable. On the road, the Rapido 996M feels stable and controlled. It's not trying to be quick or sporty, it's focused on comfort and confidence. And that's exactly what you want in a motorhome of this size. The driving position gives you a clear view ahead, and the overall feel is predictable and steady. Long journeys feel less tiring, and shorter drives feel easy to handle. It's built to move, without stress. At the end of the day, travel isn't just about movement. It's about how you feel along the way. And the Rapido 996M is designed to make that feeling as comfortable as possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorhome tours. And I'll see you in the next one.